Are you ready to take your WhatsApp experience to the next level and stay connected with your friends and family right from your laptop? Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official WhatsApp website at www.whatsapp.com. Once the page loads, look for the Download section. Click the Download button, and your installation file will begin downloading. This might take a few moments, so just relax while it finishes. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts. It's a quick and easy setup. Before long, WhatsApp will be ready to run on your laptop. After installation, WhatsApp will usually launch automatically. If it doesn't, just open it manually. Click Get Started, and you'll see a QR code appear on the screen. This is the key to linking your phone to your laptop. Now, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Link Devices. Then tap Link a Device and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on your laptop screen. And just like that, you're connected. WhatsApp will begin downloading all your messages into the Windows app. While that's happening, you can give your linked device a custom name right on your phone. Once you've typed the name, tap Save to finish adding the device. From here on, you can send messages, make calls, and share photos and videos directly from your laptop without missing a beat. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials.